Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back to talk about the top 2 leading causes of hair loss in women and what you can do about it. But first, I want to let you know that our emu oil growth drops are currently buy one get one free. You don't need a code, you just need to add 2 to your cart and you get the discount automatically. So make sure you head over to KeishaCharmaine.com while this discount is still active. So the top 2 leading causes of hair loss in women are stress and diet. That might not be too much of a shocker to you, especially with stress being number 1. Some ways that you can reduce your stress: incorporate physical activity in your lifestyle. That can be something like walking or running. If you're able to make time to go to the gym, do so, because physical activity reduces stress levels in the body. You can also incorporate relaxation techniques. My favorite is breath work. I like to inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, release for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and do that for a couple of minutes. That's called box breathing. Some people find relaxation in cleaning. You may find relaxation in developing a new hobby. Create a healthy lifestyle that incorporates physical activity, quality sleep, time management, mindfulness and meditation, time in nature, positive self-talk, social connection, and a balanced diet. Which leads me to cause number 2. Poor diets cause hair loss in women. When we eat a lot of processed foods, we're depriving ourselves of the necessary nutrients to keep our hair and our follicles healthy. Eating too much processed sugar causes inflammation in the body, which can affect your hair follicles. So it's so important that we eat nutrient-rich foods. And even when you're incorporating a lot of healthy fruits and vegetables into your diet, unfortunately, we live in a society where our soil is deprived. Normally, our foods get all those minerals and vitamins from the soil in which it's planted in. However, if our soil is not high quality, then our foods are not as high quality as they could be. So when you do a Google search and you find out how much vitamin C is supposed to be in an orange, oftentimes that's not what we're really getting when we eat that orange, because that orange is deprived of the vitamins due to the soil that it grew out of. This is why it is important to add a multivitamin into your diet. I now offer a multivitamin, which is a supplement which has vitamins and minerals, all to help serve your hair and scalp and your skin and nails. So it's a hair, skin, and nails vitamin. And if you know me, then you know that it contains horsetail. You know I love horsetail because of its silica content. And silica does what? Help you produce collagen in the body. Collagen is great for your hair, your skin, and your nails. So if you're in the market for a clean multivitamin that's going to serve your hair, your skin, your nails, and your overall health at the same time, check out Kajabi. Link is down below. There are a lot of fad diets out here. A lot of times we get on these fad diets, and oftentimes when we do so, we are depriving ourselves from a variety of minerals and vitamins that we get from eating a wider range of foods. Make sure you're getting enough protein. Protein is also needed for your hair growth. So once you're able to get a handle over your stress and improve the quality of the food that you're eating and improve your diet overall, you should notice a remarkable change in the status of your hair. I hope this helps. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share to someone who may find value in it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and get your hair care needs met from the inside and out. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.